All right, go ahead and tell me what you guys have got here.
Okay, this is an Apple Macintosh Classic II, probably from 1990, 91, and it's nostalgic for me because I did my first college term paper on this. So it comes with the bag and also the original keyboard and the original mouse and cord. So what's interesting about this is because it has the bag, I've never seen that before. So I am going to, it's a little discolored, which means it's probably been in the, near the window and got discolored that way. It looks brown, but it's probably supposed to be like cream color.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is, I will probably make sure it powers up and works and try to resell this as parts, components. So like this mouse sells for almost $30 on eBay. These stickers sell for $20.
Oh, that's a lot for stickers.
Right, and this keyboard probably around $50, $60.
You do have the keyboard,
Yeah.
cord,
Oh,
and
yeah.
the power cord.
Right, keyboard cord and everything like that. And so if you look in the bag, it has all the little areas, the components
So cool.
to go in.
Little packets.
Yep, and it's the original right here. And this bag I could not find on eBay, so what I did was I went onto WorthPoint and I typed in a vintage Apple computer bag, and they range anywhere from 200 down to 80. So
Wow.
yeah, so honestly, if it wasn't for the bag, probably would not have purchased it.
And you spent $80 on the whole thing, right?
Yeah, so.
Nice.
Yeah, so he was happy because he got it at an estate sale probably for $20, and he powered it on, said it worked, and we're good.
That bag is such a scream.
There you go. Turns on.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'm sure it has an error, but even if it doesn't work,
That's
it's still
still
worth it.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.